Morning, my peeps. Just a wake up. Had a long night last night, you know. Just a wake up. About to go start the truck. Go knock out a work in the air. I got Bronx. Go to work for one of my friend them. I have a trip to go to Georgia. So that I go on. Link you back when we reach the truck still. Alright? Yeah. So I'm there by the truck, you know. And I do a PTI for the truck to make sure say everything good, you know. A pre-trip inspection me there I do on the truck because don't know when you go out there, you know a DOT buck up on the road and slap up with some a fucking ticket for no reason. It is a reason still, but you just do what you have to do. Check your light, check your, make sure so there's nothing to move on your truck. You know? And you know the vibes. Safety first, as usual. Bust all the hood. No homo. Truck bonnet. Looking at it. Check out the check the water. Yes. Right there, we see. So we are going to the Bronx right now, so I catch up on the road, so I finish up this and then touch out, you know, soon as second. So right now I'm up on the Van Wick, got the Bronx, so be a traffic me now, be a traffic. Traffic for days, but slowly but surely, you know. Right now we are gun hill. Reach at the first stop, you know, and start load. You know, I get ready for go to Georgia, see. People and stuff in the back. Furniture, yeah. It's an update, you know. So make everybody know how I go on. Betty stand up strong. Look clean. I'm reach down the inside. I'm gonna get that one nice to go wash. You know. Finally done that job, you know. Sorry but we never show no how gone because you know some people not really comfortable with the camera upon them and thing. But we done that job. I'm about to head home for a second, hold a shower and sleep. We head out tonight, you know. Hit the road tonight. I drink an Irish mush, you know. Burn up road tonight, cause you know it go. Hustler thing. Go and go like beard and nice caress. For me, it's not back boy, I go up on the road, you know, cause you have to do the road. Look at me. If I'm away, I go home now, you know. Bronx. Bronx. reach home. See me cause a lot of traffic now and my battery about to finish, so I'm party truck tune in back, alright? Alright me peeps? Yeah man, we there man. What we say family? Alright, so there. Just park the truck, just reach home. Get me key. I have to come back in a few minutes still, so like I say, in a long time I go come back in a few because tonight I start drive because them say snow go fall tonight. So I try beat the snow by leaving a little bit early. You know, so I go over me and go all a beat and thing and go all a couple hours sleep and then see you back on the road, you see me? Yeah me peeps. Yeah, look a bit. What I go on me people? We never get for when we wake up this morning. Never get for turn on the camera because the camera dead last time check me that charge camera. The camera and then that charge. Camera dead. But right now I'm in North Carolina. Weather nice out the door. No more snow for right now. No snow. See? No snow with the North Carolina with Betsy. Yeah. Now truck stop I try to get some diesel. Gas on them something. Yeah me people. What I go on YouTube, alright? But I want to drop some likes and some subscribes and some comments, and tell me what you want to see and what you want to hear and what I go on, you know. What you want to know about the road. If nobody else interested in truck driving, you know, in America or whatever. Whatever question, you know, I have some answer for me. You know, a whole little thing, you know, about truck or entertainment, because that's the job what we do. Otherwise I not drive, you know. Yeah, what a little thing, you know. But until I start drive again, I go get a little bit of clip of the road, you know, but I just want to clean my windshield. My glass are dirty up there. When I come down the salt up on the window, you can't see over the see. You can't hardly see through the window, so I want to get a 1-2 clean, so I put up the camera, you can see what I go on through the windshield. But I'm going to sort out this and then I hit up the back, alright? Super. Yeah, these look like 150 night. We already have half tank in it. 150 penny to clean the glass then. Yeah, that'll go on. They people that carry a dog and they truck with them. Yeah. 3 dogs, a film company and them there, you know. A woman. For a company and them there. Everybody have their own company out there. Dog, cat, wife. Everything look clean. Yeah, my peeps, today I go home. Never really do much camera work today because kind of hectic today, you know? Up and driving and things, but today I go home with the Georgia. I'm off head home right now. So, yeah, a little bit of camera time until make the road, you know? Let's go. Cracking. Wagwan, my peeps. Good morning, morning. Yeah, I just touch the road again. Last time I have to pull off because I didn't go around to get that road to go up, but looks like something I get nothing still, so I push out because we have that things that we have to do, you know. And just stop last night and some paperwork and thing I know. So I touch out. That rain right now still. Look a bit rainy. Take your time and go. And Jesus name. Alright, brother. Drink some tea because my belly hot me still. One out there try us $1 me cheap. Yeah? Come out of your bed and come off of the couch, turn off the TV and let's go work, guys. Stop talk about me don't know if it can happen. Be excuse, slack. So far I'm there. They're far from the crib right now. But walk up. And I come out and come on for the dollar youths. Yeah, yo. Got me on top boats. Dollar bill. Yeah. How is yo! What's happening, man? Closer and closer to the yard, you know? Yeah. They're up on the road about 2 days now. Come hustle, you know? And this place is a big melting hustling pot, you know? Yeah. there them place and broke and you want broke still. Because everything they have here make money, you just have to use your sense and your brain, you know. But just a check-in, that's all. Yo, for your reacher, so you know say you're there in New York, you know. You're there in Washington right now, it's cold up. Yo, come out and me and say, no sir. It's cold up, bud. Stop on a truck stop and get some diesel. It's cold though, I'm not gonna lie. Jeez. In New York, ain't nothing like New York, boy. Yeah, man. Finally home. I thank the Lord for that, you know. Carry me out safe and bring me back in safe, you know. Just there, Staten Island still a crossover for going to Brooklyn. Yeah. Vibes, yeah, me J. Life as a trucker, you know, hard the fuck. I really love this thing, brother, because if you have family, trucking enough here. No, sir. Finally reach. Thank you, Lord. Far your camera gonna come back in a lad. Why nobody could do it with your father? Far you go, man. Far. I'm just a come back. 3 days now up on the road. 3 days now. It's crazy. The front of the truck open. Let me see. Check this here phone boy load. Phone boy load shift because when I drive, just want to come home. When I drive, so I come home. It's shift guys. Drive. When you out the door so long, you know, out the road so long, and when you come in at evening time, you know, master, you know, your yard, you come, you know, a different kind of driving, you're going to come out your yard, yeah? Different kind of driving. Yes, Betsy, can me far and come back, thank you, girl. She's a strong girl. Yeah, man. If you give her one wash, rub your back, you know. Alright, so good night. Good night. You are the real deal, my friend. You are the real deal. Hey, peeps. You just a reach home. Boy. Never bad still, but it's long. I mean, if I hold me, I get old or rusty, I get rusty. But it's corona, I make people are rusty up in the house. I'll come out and do and sharpen up. Because normally I do days but I drive in like a camel. When a camel walks in the desert. And 1, 2 days you go to the road and come back here. Crazy though. Glad for the home. It's a blessing. Yeah, and if you see me, I have to get up early in the morning. 8 o'clock in the morning. If you go do the delivery. I'm not that bad still. Brooklyn, we deliver it, so. Alright, just right there. Just pull up at my house. I'm gonna call this one a night because it was a long 3 days. And I don't know if you guys enjoy hanging out with me, but I'm liking the scene. Yeah, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright? Peace.